Yo! What's up, you guys? So, this is Mimi Vampire, and welcome to Vampires Communicate. Okay, so basically, this is a weird-ass motherfucking YouTube channel that me and my friend Heidi have decided to create because, well, you know what, why not? Like, we thought it would be awesome to make a really cool collab channel inspired by My Digital Escape, made by Brian Stars. And we were like, yo, this is going to be so awesome. We can make like random ass weird videos and do like challenges and awesome bullshit. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy. What we're going to do today for the first video is basically talk about like, you know, facts about us. So you can get to know us and we can get to know you. And yeah, and it will just be awesome. And we can, you know, hopefully have things in common. So I'm going to start with music. Now obviously, as you could probably tell, I like metal music. Metal music is literally like my all-time favourite genre ever. And basically I like every genre of metal. Like from death metal, which is playing now, black metal, DSBM, doom metal, metalcore, deathcore, Nordic death metal. I like so many genres, and normally when people are like, oh, so you know, hey, what kind of music are you into? And just embrace life. You know what I mean? Free love. Just spread around the free love, and everyone should be happy. That's what I love by listening to Mod Sun. Just stay happy. Like, yes, I also like rap music like Mod Sun, because Mod Sun is awesome. And he's like so inspirational, honestly. Like, Mod Sun, Marilyn Manson, and Chris Motionless are like the most inspirational people I'd probably say. Because I love their messages. And also, Franz from Attila. I know he's not very inspirational, but he gives across an awesome message, which is to just not give a fuck and do whatever the fuck you want. Like, you know, fuck people, fuck everyone, and just do it. And just go crazy and rage, because that's what I'm about, just not giving a fuck and going for what you want to do and believe in. So I think everything's just better that way, honestly. And yeah, guys, that's kind of it. I mean, I also changed my hair colour a lot, so it will probably be a lot of different colours. I always change my hair. I can never stick to like one colour. It has to change all the fucking time. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed, and make sure you like and subscribe to Vampires Communicate, because it's going to be an awesome channel, and we're definitely going to get a lot more content out. We're going to get loads more members, and it's going to be really chill and awesome. And just good vibes, honestly. Like, it's just going to be keep up the good vibes. Doing loads of different weird shit like challenges and crazy stuff, and it's just going to be awesome. So yes, stay tuned for that. Okay guys, stay awesome, stay rad, stay creepy and trippy, and fuck people, fuck what everyone says, and just go with life.